What are property management apps? Property management applications allow owners and landlords to access important data when working remotely, to post vacancy ads, track rent payments, and check expenses. Common features of property management apps include accounting tools to collect payment and track transactions, with customized notifications for late rent payments, expired lease agreements, routine maintenance tasks, and other reminders. Property management features enable users to track vacancies in real time and check the rental and credit histories of potential new tenants. Property maintenance provides efficiency in performing on-site inspections, submitting maintenance requests, sending work orders, and documenting damages with a mobile device. Property marketing expedites the updating of vacancies with accompanying photography of available units and posts to popular listing websites. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.